In this video, I'm going to show you which VPN server is best for using CapCut Pro. This is the latest update, and I've tested the top VPNs to help you get the best experience. If you've been having trouble accessing CapCut Pro features, or if you're trying to unlock more tools that are only available in certain regions, using a VPN is the best way to do it. Not every VPN server will work well. Some are too slow, and others just don't unblock CapCut Pro at all. That's why I tested several servers to find the best ones for speed, stability, and access. First, let's look at NordVPN. I'm using the desktop app, but this also works on mobile. After logging in, click on the search bar at the top left. Type in Singapore. You'll see it pop up. Click to connect. In my tests, Singapore gave me the fastest and smoothest access to CapCut Pro. It loads all the Pro features quickly and video exports are fast. If you're editing on mobile, this will also help reduce lag and unlock tools that may not appear in your country. If you want another option, try Japan. NordVPN's Japan servers also worked very well. Just make sure to pick one with a low server load for the best speed. After you connect, open CapCut again, and you should notice the Pro features becoming available. If you're not logged into CapCut, log in now and refresh the app. If you don't see Pro features, try closing and reopening the app after connecting to the VPN. Now let's test with Surfshark. This is another great VPN that works well with CapCut Pro. Once you open Surfshark, go to the Locations tab. Scroll or search for South Korea. Tap to connect. This location worked great with CapCut Pro. The Pro tools were unlocked right away and video editing was fast and smooth. You can also try Indonesia. It gave good results too, especially for unlocking filters and export options that weren't available in my region. One important tip: always close and reopen the CapCut app after connecting to a VPN. This makes sure it picks up your new location correctly. Sometimes CapCut caches your old region, so restarting helps it reset. If you are wondering whether this is safe, both NordVPN and Surfshark use strong encryption. That means your connection is private and secure. You won't be flagged or blocked just for using a VPN. In fact, many creators use VPNs daily to access tools and features that are not available in their country. So, to summarize, for NordVPN, use the Singapore or Japan servers. For Surfshark, use South Korea or Indonesia. These gave the best results when unlocking and using CapCut Pro. I've added links in the description where you can try both NordVPN and Surfshark. Each link gives you a special discount, so you can save money while getting the full Pro experience in CapCut.